This is Pavan. Thank you for all those who've dropped by. Welcome to all the new folks who have taken up time. Well, I will be talking to all the newcomers who are visiting today, and what I will be elaborating on is going to be the challenge of finding the right niche or niche. I went through this morning to double check how it is pronounced. It could be either niche or niche. Most of the time people say niche because it gives the connotation of being a French word, but it's quite all right. Whichever suits you is fine. Niche or niche. So moving forward, once again, Pavan from Bangkok, Thailand. My YouTube channel is Pavan USA. And moving forward, let me share with you a picture of the topic I'm going to be talking today. I sketched it out to make it easy for the 50 plus or 40 plus new YouTube creators to make life a little bit more comprehensive in terms of understanding what exactly is a niche. And yes, I pronounce it as niche. I was confused initially, slightly. Why? Because when you come forth to starting a career as a YouTuber, the one thing that really hits you from all corners is you need to have a niche to be able to start vlogging on this platform. We are all multi-talented and we all multitask. We all have a lot of potential to bring forth, but do we want to confuse the algorithm is the question. The clearer your format or the topic or the area that you'd like to bring forth and share with your audience, the better. That shows your clarity. And that way the wheel is oiled beautifully by the algorithm, and it starts pushing you out to the right audience, to the right market, to the right people, and to the right topic that you are talking about. So without further ado, here is my humble sketch for all those who enjoy visual presentations. Pardon the simplicity. I am not very tech savvy, but I have made an attempt to share with you what exactly is a niche. And the analogy used here is from, it's not my original analogy, and there's no need to reinvent the wheel, but get the learning from various sources and put your personality in it, your vibe in it, your take on it. So there you have it. The analogy of the tree. The trunk is where your expertise lies, folks. All those new people out there. The trunk is the main part where you come excited. I know this, I can do this, I've done that, I'm an expert on this field, so I have so much to talk about. That's the trunk, your expertise, okay? And then it is followed by the branches. And the branches are the various things you can do from all the life's expertise and experiences that you have gathered thus far. And going further from the branches, you will see the green leaves that are shooting out. And those green leaves are where you need to focus on. They are the subsets of any particular topic or hobby or passion or something that you would like to expand upon. So the trunk is just one part of so many things that you can do. The branch supports many things that you are good at, yes. And the leaves are the subsets of a particular thing that you are truly hardcore expert on. For example, you are into farming. You are doing food farming in Florida. You have orange farms, avocado farms, and you would like to talk on that. Now, honestly asking you, do you think that would be a topic that some other person or some other vloggers have not spoken upon? So, do you want to be lost in the crowd? Is my question, right? So, to prevent that, you move further. Okay, I have orange farm, so I work on an orange farm, or I am a partner in an orange farm. What do we do when we decide to grow orange trees? There you go, start brainstorming. You take care of the seedlings, the kind of soil, the kind of weather. Now you go further. That is various topics. What kind of seeds? How much water? Which season? How many laborers you will require in order to get your full harvest? These are the various topics you can pick upon and expand upon. That's the branches of the tree. Further you go, you will understand that there are going to be subsets of those topics. And I refer to my diagram once again, where I talk about the orange farms. We gather the oranges. You could be into home cooking, or you could be a supplier of spreads, jams in your state, in your region. So you should think further than just the soil, the seeds, the trees, the farms. Now there is a void suddenly that has hit you. Ooh, I haven't seen specialized homemade spreads with navel oranges grown in Florida specifically, where we can make marmalade, seasonal marmalade, and supply to the states nearby. That is the deep narrowing down of the topic called the orange farms. Then you go further, talking about putting together a niche where you are going to be making homemade, organic, seasonal marmalade. That precisely is your niche now. So the tree analogy helps you understand how to use the process of elimination of generic topics and moving into a place where you will fill a gap or a void or stand out and not be lost in the masses or in the crowd. Once you tap into that, go further to study other people's blogs and videos who are already making blogs in this field, in this particular niche, and see how better you can provide your marmalade by standing out in a market that is not too crowded. So the tree analogy helps you to narrow down your potential, your expertise, your experiences, your hobbies, your passions that you have along the way. I have a lot to offer. It was a struggle for me. I'm a photographer. I cook various kind of cuisines, Indian, Thai, English. I am into music. I love reading. I love traveling. Could I be doing videos on all these categories? By all means. But then what happens? In my opening, when I told you, you will lose sight and you will confuse yourself by spreading yourself thin initially. Take time to learn. Do yourself a favor. Do yourself a favor, I repeat. Do as much learning as you can. Watch as many videos of the particular niche that you plan to start talking about. See why they are successful, those vloggers whom you are referring yourself to or learning from. See why they're getting views. See what exactly are they talking about that makes them stand apart from the other Joes and Janes, okay? And use a conversational, natural style. And this I am focusing on very diligently because 2025, YouTube has gone on a beautiful, easy mode for small channels. new YouTubers, those who are not really tech savvy. I am a prime example of that, although I am learning the editing aspect of it now because I'd like to make my videos a lot more professional. But sketch, the diagram, I'm sure serves the purpose for the newcomers who are probably also struggling how to go about things. Okay, so do not be afraid or do not go to the analysis paralysis place of your mindset, and do not compare. We all were beginners at some point. I'm just barely a few months into this particular YouTube digital creator platform. But I am so proud of where I've come now, almost 20 videos. And the journey is long, but it's going to be fruitful if I put the right strategies in place. So I would encourage all of you out there, do not feel you do not fit or belong here. Rather, I would encourage you that it is time, 40 plus ladies, gentlemen, please join. Please come join this caravan. It's a fun second inning, third inning career or passion for all of you, for me, all who are thinking alike. Do not sit on the fence, get started. And as you proceed, you will overcome so many bumps, so many, questions that were unanswered because you will have to do the learning part. And don't be afraid to learn. Don't be afraid to learn. You will enjoy. I come to my table every day, starting my day. I first learn something new, take notes. If it is within my comfort zone, I proceed to put it in a calendar schedule that this is going to be the topic I'm going to talk on. If not, I proceed. I utilize at least a couple of hours in the morning to put together a couple of topics that I would script, sit down and script, and then decide when and which day of the month I'm going to talk about that. Because after getting the topics, you're going to have to make sure you are at ease with scripting and how you are going to share yourself, how you're going to relate to many people out there, and you have to be so real and so authentic. I plead, all of you people 40 plus, come join the fun, enjoy the journey, ask questions, send me comments, tell me what else I can do to help make your journey better as we move along as like-minded community. Come join the tribe. On that note, I will take leave and once again share with you my diagram that I had created for all of you who are new on this. And before I end, some people are good with visual understanding, while some comprehend things theoretically. So there goes. For all those who enjoy the visual aspect of it, the tree analogy of selecting your niche. See you in my next vlog. Thank you once again for coming by. That's Pavan USA, my channel. I wish to once again be there for you. If you have any questions, put it down in your comments. It will help me understand what you need, and I will do it to the best of my ability to make it easy, fun, and, like I said, a community of like-minded. Bye. Have a good evening. This is Bangkok, Thailand, where I'm staying, and I wish you good luck, blessings, until we meet again. Bye-bye.